10 tips to get back cellular service when SOS-only message appears. Turn on roaming. If you're abroad, turn on the data roaming function to eliminate the SOS-only problem. Open the Settings app and go to Mobile Data. Then tap on Mobile Data Options. Next to data roaming, toggle the slider to turn on the feature. Update carrier settings. Open the Settings app and go to General Settings. Tap on About. If an update is available, a prompt will pop up asking if you want to update the carrier settings. Tap on Update. Re-enable mobile data. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the top right corner. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Tap on the mobile data icon to turn it off. Wait for a few seconds and turn it on again. Restart your iPhone. Restart your iPhone to reset the system and remove bugs or glitches that can be responsible for the SOS-only issue. Switch your network mode. If you recently switched your network to 5G, consider switching back to 4G. Open the Settings app and go to Mobile Data. Select Mobile Data Options. Tap on Voice and Data. Select 4G. Reset network connection. On iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On iPhones with a home button, swipe up from the middle bottom. Tap on the airplane icon. Wait for a few seconds and turn off the feature. Re-enable automatic network selection. Go to your iPhone settings. Tap on Mobile Data. Select Network Selection. If the automatic selection is enabled, turn it off. And after a few seconds, turn it on again. If the option was not turned on, enable automatic network selection. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app and go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your device. Take out your SIM card. Then put it back in and turn on the iPhone. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app. Select General and tap on Software Update. Wait while the system searches for updates. If an update is available, upgrade the iOS. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.